Welcome to this channel once again today. In today's math tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to find the area of a regular polygon. Please make sure you watch it to the very end. And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so and click the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any updates from this channel. In this tutorial, we want to find the area of a regular polygon of 6 sides, that's a regular hexagon with side 8 centimeters. And the answer is to be left in radical form. Now, first, the area of any regular polygon is calculated by using the perimeter of the polygon divided by 2, and that multiplied by the length of the apothem. The apothem of a regular polygon is a line segment from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of one of its sides. It is as shown here. Written as A. Other things about the apothem include the fact that it is a perpendicular from the center of the polygon to one of its sides. In other words, the apothem meets any of the sides of the regular polygon at right angles. It is the radius of the inner circle of the polygon as shown thus. Now, to find the area of this hexagon of side 8 centimeters, we need to first find the length of the apothem. The length of the apothem is calculated by using the apothem formula. The apothem formula is given by A, the apothem, the length of the apothem, to be equal to S, which is the length of the side of the polygon, divided by 2 tan 180 over n. N is the number of sides of the polygon. In this case, the length of the apothem is S, which is 8 centimeters, divided by 2 tan 180 divided by 6, since we are working with our hexagon. This gives A to be equal to 8 centimeters over 2 tan 30. And tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So we have 8 centimeters divided by 2 times 1 over root 3. And that gives 8 centimeters over 2 times root 3, which is going to give us 4 root 3 centimeters as the length of the apothem. Now that we have the length of the apothem, the area of this hexagon is going to be its perimeter over 2 times the length of the apothem, and that is the perimeter, being a hexagon, is going to be 6 times 8 centimeters over 2 times the length of the apothem, which is 4 root 3 centimeters, and this gives 96 root 3 centimeters squared as the area of this regular hexagon. Have you learned something about how to calculate the area of regular polygons? Give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you get timely updates as our tutorials are being released on YouTube. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.